Okay, Hurricane Florence just blew through here. Fortunately, the flooding's over for me now. Most of my flooding comes from improper drainage, and I've added some drainage, but I haven't tapped into it from this point right here, which is a low spot, which if I let it go and we get 20 inches of rain, you know, some kind of 1,000-year flood, which we get every year now, it'll back up and go to the house. And I spent Hurricane Matthew and Hurricane whatever, the 1,000-year flood, brooming water down this driveway. To try and keep it from getting in the house. But this year, just before Florence got here, you can see I just cut out a little piece of dirt, put all my dirt and that plug of grass right in one of these. Then I took another one that I had laying around and blew some holes in the side of it. Added some weights. They don't do anything else. So to keep it down in the hole or it float up. And took this little guy and sat it in that hole just like that and pumped it down the road. I think I might have a little bit of footage from during the storm or sometime in between it. I mean, it lasted, it was miserable weather for 4 days. So just the front pump. See, about an hour straight, hour and a half. Did a good job. Got it off now, but it's got a nice little bonus feature that, because I mean there's still plenty of water going into it. It's got a little siphon action going. So until the heavy bands get here again, I'll just let it sit here and siphon out. Pumped it out, you know, worked out great. I still had to broom a little bit because with this storm I neglected to build any kind of shelter for my generator. So fortunately we were only out of power for about a day and a half here. But once we get the power back on, it did great. Matter of fact, even I'd pump, shut it off, and it would siphon out. So if you're in a pinch, you got a low spot in the yard, that's the way to do it until you do something permanent. Anyway, let's hope we don't have any more hurricanes.